Order. Okay. Order. The House is still... Go on, clerk. Take your seats. Clerk.
A bill for an act of parliament to amend the laws relating to various taxes and duties and for matters incidental thereto. A bill for an act of parliament to amend the laws relating to various taxes and duties and for matters incidental thereto.
Order, honorable members. Order. We will come to the end of our proceedings today, and the House will stand. Order, be upstanding, members. Be upstanding. Be upstanding. Honorable members, may I take this opportunity to thank all of you for debating this bill with decorum, with dignity, and with observance of the standing orders of the House. The leadership has displayed good leadership, and I hope that going to the future, however contentious a piece of legislation that comes to the House, you remain one undivided House called the National Assembly of Kenya. On that note, honorable members, the House shall stand adjourned until tomorrow, the 15th of June at 2:30, and take note that from 3 p.m., the Minister for Finance, the CS for Finance and the Treasury will be in the chamber to be given an opportunity to give highlights to the budget of the year 2023-24. The House is adjourned.
Jamaa bado wako hapo. Wanaendelea na hiyo. Wakimaliza wataingiza ndani. Wakimaliza kutengeneza.